ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ my dear DGP, look, you cannot control your subordinate officers. CRPC की पिजरिबा provision खरसिंग लई मधु DGP, you listen carefully. If you know, well. If you do not know, I can teach you. Your subordinate staffs do not understand what the CRPC section 129. Assemble tauraba ama miyam tillaba ama maduna kariguma khara akaiba thokpa yabagi apprehension lairabadi disperse. Madubu chakhainaba adi sengdoknaba hotnabata. Karamba thauram thogdang chatnabagadage chatnagadabage amasung ingadage haibase yamay chengna yawi this to your subordinate staff. Ngasi local paper amagi statement ki matung inna political party tarana Manipur ki governor da memorandum chen chatpada police officer mana khud target tawbadagi ningai sangdana ba thokhare haibagumba ama aikoi kuiyaba. That is very unfortunate on behalf of your subordinate staff, my dear DGP. Aikoi yam ingna chikna shanti oina pamba amasung tangdu leitana leichaningbagidamata Indian National Congress ki karmi mu ijabane ba ko. Accordingly, Indian National Congress Committee di shanti hingsha yaudaba kaiba aikoi chatna lon chat khar layaba. Aikoi ki karmi punamana understand tawi curfew manung nate 144 chalaiba jaga nate adubu peace zone ki area ne haibase aikoi chatringai da aikoi loina kwa tanarga yamna shanti ki mifam da chatpani adusu lead by CLP leader Congress ki matam kaya koina Manipur bu lengak shason pairaba leader amoina Okram Igovi. Now he is little old agent. Jahi su yamaba budhi loksing su ingna tapna lairaba amasung praja seva mapun thana tawramaba amagi luching makada chatpada police officer na khud thage tawi haibase it's my question.